name is Stephen and I am representing SteadyMaker. We are looking at the SMG Evo. Now, you have effectively pre-balanced your SMG Evo. There are a number of different shooting options that you have. Because it is a 32-bit control board, it means you can use it in, for example, inverted mode. Now, what inverted mode means is you can have your handle at the top instead of at the bottom. And it's exactly the same principle. You just reverse the handle and then you switch your stabilizer on. And then it works exactly the same as having the handle underneath. This is called inverted mode. And again, all the different methods of stabilization work. Your follow mode and your locked pitch or your locked pitch and yaw modes will still work just as effectively in inverted mode. Now I'm going to switch the motors off for a second. So now it's free floating in the stabilizer. I'm going to show you a little way to take the weight off the handle is by using a handlebar attachment. At the base of your handle you will see a little extra screw. This is a standard 1/4 inch, I think it is, 1/4 inch screw. This is a standard screw that you can also use to attach to rigs or other setups that you have. I encourage you to get creative with your stabilizer. If you find a similar screw attachment in another base plate or a rig, for example, you can mount your handle to a shoulder mounted rig for extra stability, or you can use it with different setups. Some people I have seen, they've put a base plate on the bottom of the handle and they've used their cell phone as another LED screen, as another screen to view the camera. To attach the handles to your stabilizer, you will unscrew the thread here on the bottom, and then you would get your extra attachment. This is for replacing on the base of your handle, and you would put these carbon fiber rods into your bottom attachment like so, and then you just tighten these up. So now you have 2 carbon fiber rods and a central attachment, and then you would slide your handles into these rods like so. They should be angled in the rod. There you go. Just tighten that one up. Not too tight. You don't want to do these too tight because then it's very hard to unscrew them afterwards. And the same with the other handle. Just slide it onto the end. Make sure that they're roughly balanced, that the handles are at the same angle and that the attachment is in the center. Again, make sure your attachments are tightened. And then all you want to do is add this to your handle at the bottom. And the last step is just to screw the small attachment to the bottom of the handle. And now you have a handlebar attachment which will make your stabilizer operation even smoother. Make sure that your handle is straight and level. So if I switch the motors back on, now you can see I have handle attachment that will make your stabilization a little smoother and also increase the options that you can use when shooting. You can now shoot very low angles with your stabilizer. Or if I switch the motors off and return it to its normal perspective and switch the motors back on, now I can use very high angles as well. I can use it above my head or use it for different kinds of angles over there. So it's a very useful attachment to increase the options you have for shooting with your stabilizer. There you go.